Okay, before I install my new flywheel, this is an automatic vehicle, and this engine is from an exterior, and the engine I pull from is from the Frontier. They are the same vehicle, but you know they are a little bit different on automatic and manual transmission. So the automatic have this little nipple right here, okay, and I need to pull that out. And the manual one, which doesn't have it, but you have this right here inside, the little ring inside there for the transmission shaft to go in there. Okay, let me put that. See that? That's the shaft that go inside there. Okay, so I need to pull both out. So I have this right here, and kind of a little bit short, so I put this two bolt right here to hold it, the ring, to against this wall right here, so I can pull it out. So let me go in there. You can see that it pulled out already. Slowly come out. Okay, now completely out. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, I'm using this socket here. That's good. And I'm ready to put my flywheels in. Okay, so that little pin right there is go inside that little hole right here. I think it could be okay with that hole right here, but I believe they go inside that hole, this hole. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what kind of tool they're using for that star bolt in there, but I use T55. Okay, it does fit, but it's not really it fit perfectly. So I think they might have something different than this right here. So according to this book, it said V6 flywheel mounting bolt, V6 65 foot-pound, and on the 4-cylinder 80 foot-pound, but on the 6-cylinder only 65 foot-pound. Okay, now it's a 65 foot-pound for my flywheel. Alright, let me clean this up first. I'm gonna put my clutch in. This clutch is not brand new for replacement, but the flywheel does. And I do not have one of this because when you buy the clutch, they do come with this right here, the two alignment. So which is, I have this universal kit right here, and this is what I using this to go inside to align with the two clutch. Okay, that fit perfectly inside, and then this will be go right here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. See that right there, fit perfectly. Okay, and the flywheel, the pressure plate will be going inside. So 11 foot-pound first, and then 19 foot-pound last. Okay, final one. 11 foot-pound, or it's 132 inch-pound. Okay, so I'm going to do crisscross. Okay, now complete the 11 foot-pound. So I'm going to turn my toy into 19 foot-pound. So this is the final one. Okay. Okay, that's it. So ready to put the engine back to the vehicle chassis now. This clutch is only 6 months old. That's why I tell the owner I agree with that this clutch just reuse it because it's only 6 months old and still very much is just new. Okay, so that's why I didn't replace the new one. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye now.